Manually adding the same internal links to hundreds of new content is time-consuming. With Link Vector, you can automate the process and save time. This video will show you how to automatically add a link to a specific term when it is mentioned in content using link rules. For example, you want a product page link to be added to a product name every time it appears in blog posts. Or you want to automatically link your cluster pages to a pillar page. To do so, you need to create a link rule. First, go to the Link Rules tab under Link Utilities on your sidebar. Next, enter the term you want to use as anchor text for the target URL into the anchor text box. Then, from this dropdown, you can choose whether to add the URL to the exact term only or to variations of the term. For example, the term is gaming laptops. Choosing exact match means the target URL will be added to anchor texts that contain only this term. Please note that using contains, starts with, ends with, or regular expressions can return a large number of results, especially on a large website. So be more specific when setting your anchor text. Next, if you want the anchor text to match the letter case exactly as you typed in, check the Match Case box. For example, ticking the box for the term laptops with uppercase initial L will ignore terms that do not exactly match this format. Next, to check the number of phrases in your content that match the anchor text setting, click Check Matches. You will see each phrase's match with its count. Then, if you are using regular expressions to specify your anchor text, click Analyze Regex to ensure there are no mistakes in the specified expression. Take note that the results returned for Check Matches and Analyze Regex depend on the page you choose to apply the rule, which we will go over shortly. Once you're satisfied with your anchor text setting, enter your target URL into the Target URL box. This is the URL that you want to automatically add to the anchor text. To choose where you want to apply this rule, click the Apply To box. Choose All Pages if you want to apply it to all pages in your domain. Choose Specific Path if you want the rule to apply only to certain pages. Then, enter the page path in the Specific Path box or select from the suggestions. For example, you want to add the target URL to anchor text Gaming Laptops found only on the page path, Josh blog. Finally, click Create Link Rule. You will see the rule appear in the log. You can create multiple rules and manage them from this log. To disable or enable a rule, toggle this button. To edit a rule, click the pencil icon here. For example, if you changed the target URL and want to update it in your rule. To view details of links added from a rule, click the number under the Links Added column. In here, you can track where and when each link is automatically added to your content. Take note that rules created will only be automatically added to future content. So if you want to apply the rules to existing content, click Link Existing Content. Then, select where you want to apply the rule. Review your selection and check this box to confirm that you have reviewed the changes. Then click Add Links. And that's how you automate internal linking with Link Vector. You can now relax while Link Vector adds the link to your new content. If you need help, don't hesitate to email our support team at hello@linkvector.io.